For motion, item 1.
This is regarding family pension.
Pension and family pension. Petitioners 1, 5, 6 and 9 are enjoying family pension. 2, 3, 4, 7 and 8 are enjoying pension, normal pension.
Okay, we issue notice to
I'm okay.
Heard learned, Mr. Malhotra, Learned Counsel for the Mr. So-and-so. For respondents,
1 to 5 state, my lord.
1 to 5. You are for? 4, 6 and 7. That's all?
Yes.
7 respondents? Extra copies be served upon the learned counsels appearing on behalf of the respondents. Returnable 4 weeks. Issue notice. Returnable 4 weeks. List. After 4 weeks.
For admission, item 2.
Your Lordships. My Lords. Your Lordships, due to some personal urgency, I had to rush back, my Lords. I'm appearing through DC. I'm for the petitioner, my Lords. Your Lordships, in the last order,
Yes.
registry was to verify, but I have to clarify, my Lords. Respondent number 5 is not the one which was to put in appearance. It was respondent number 3, my Lords. The counsel is there today. Mr. Ram Murmu is present. Number 5 is being represented by the government advocate members.
Okay.
Ms. Rin Hui.
You are representing 5, Mr. Murmu,
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm representing 1, 2, 4, 5 and 10, Your Lordship.
and you are for 3.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. So all are represented.
Yes, my Lords.
Yes, my lord. All are represented.
Yes.
And my lord, for respondent number 3, we have to file our power yet, so will be need 2 weeks to file our power.
Just to file the power.
And we are waiting for the Parawai's comment, my lord.
Your Lordship, for the state respondents, we have received the Parawai's comments and will be filing an affidavit in a week, Your Lordship.
Learned counsel, heard Mr. Jordan, learned counsel for the petitioner. All the respondents are represented. Prayer has been made on behalf of the respondents to file for time to file power as well as power within bracket respondent number 3 for respondent number 3 as well as affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed. List after 4 weeks for admission.
Obliged.
Item 3.
Your Lordship, if this matter can be taken up on next Monday, Your Lordship.
Somebody has filed affidavit in reply.
Yes. The learned counsel for the petitioner has filed a reply against my affidavit in opposition.
Affidavit in reply has been filed by the petitioner. Learned counsel for the state respondents prays for taking up the matter in the next week. Prayer is allowed. List after a week.
Your Lordship, if it can be fixed on Monday next
Okay,
week.
list on.
Next month.
25/8.
Okay.
Item 4. My lord, if this matter may be passed over for the time being.
Time being, we don't have much time. What is the matter?
Your Lordship, on behalf of the state respondents, if 2 weeks time may be granted to file the affidavit, Your Lordship.
3 weeks, 3 weeks. This time take 2 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship. I have received the instructions. However, there is some illegible annexures.
Hmm.
So I have to seek the typed copies, Your Lordship.
Okay, so 2 weeks
Yes, Your Lordship.
on the prayer of so and so. Learned Counsel appearing for respondent number.
Uh,
2 weeks. Further time is granted to file
Wonderful,
affidavit in
Lordship.
opposition.
Item 5.
Yes, Your Lordship, I'm representing the respondent number 1 to 6, state government, and I'm seeking another 2 weeks' time to file my affidavit in opposition.
Okay, same order.
Item 6.
You are for?
Your Lordship, state respondents. State respondents, Your Lordship.
None appears for the petitioner on call list after a week.
Lordship, right, Your Lordship.
Item 7 for orders.
Your Lordship, the trial court record has been received by the registry. If paper book may be prepared at the expense of the appellant, Your Lordship. Is NDPS matter, 21C.
TCR received, no?
Received.
It is submitted by learned PP that TCR has been received. Registry is directed to prepare the paper book list after 4 weeks.
Your Lordship, at the expense of the appellant.
All right. At this expense of the appellant.
Item 8.
My Lord, Your Lordship, this is an application for suspension of sentence and to release me on bail during the pendency of the connected appeal. My Lord, this is the second time that I'm applying.
What happened the first time?
My Lord,
What happened the first time?
the first time, Your Lordship, it was rejected, and now development is there. The co-convicted person who is also the appellant by filing a different separate appeal, Your Lordship, he was recently released on bail by suspending his sentence. And I have annexed that order also, my Lord.
What is your sentence?
My
The
sentence
PC
is
Act?
5 years, my Lord. Yes, PC Act. 5 years only. I have annexed that order, my Lord, at page 96. 96 of my application. My Lord, Your Lordship, what happened is that I was convicted first, since this Mustaqur Rahman, who is the appellant in another criminal appeal, was also convicted later on, because at the time of my conviction, he was absconded. He was absconding, and thereafter he was arrested again, and subsequently he was also convicted. And this Honorable Court had recently suspended his sentence and released on bail, my Lord.
Your name is Lalram Thanga.
Lalram Thanga, my lord.
What are these orders in the same case? So page 87,
87, my lord.
that is
The reason why I am annexing this,
Lian
yes,
Sanga.
because my lord, I am relying upon this order wherein the age of this particular person was considered for suspension.
But it's in a different case.
Yes, different case, my lord. Only to assist my ground.
Where is the order of rejection? Earlier order passed by this
Rejection,
court
your
in this
lordship,
case?
Yes, I have annexed at page 74, my lord. The relevant portion is 79.
Okay, that was more than 2 years ago, right?
Yes, my lord.
Who are you? What is your designation?
My designation is deputy manager at that time in MAMCO.
Okay.
MAMCO is one of the autonomous society under the government.
So since when have you been behind bars?
My lord, I was convicted on 22/11/2022.
Yes, state seems to have been long enough, almost half of the sentence behind bars.
Your Lordship, first of all, the matter is listed for the first time. Notice is yet to be issued in this case. Second is that the co-accused was released on his sentence was suspended by order dated 24/7/2025, wherein the public prosecutor was not present. We were not absent also, but then in our absence, it just so
You were
happened.
neither present nor absent.
No. We were, I don't know when this matter was called. I don't know. Nothing is mentioned. No one was, in page number 96. But it is a fact that we do not make any appeal against this order. But, Your Lordship, even though the applicant has served half of the sentence, but then in the in the appeal, I believe that they will not succeed because there is a strong evidence against him that they are involved in this corrupted practice and all. That is why.
But that may be so, but if somebody has completed half of the sentence, the law will automatically kick in. Okay, we'll pass orders.
Yes.
My lord, I don't know whether it's necessary. I'm relying upon these two judgments, saying
Yes.
that subsequent second bail application is entertainable.
If you feel it is necessary, we'll see.
Yes, ma'am.
Pass on. Yes, next.
Item 9.
Yes, Your Lordship, this is an IA for.
Then pass on to judgments. Yes.
Your Lordship, this is an IA for implement of the new incumbent in place of respondent number 12. Your Lordship, in the last court order, Your Lordship will see at para 10 and 11 that this court has allowed us to make an implement because the respondent number 12 has been replaced by the new incumbent. So the new incumbent has to be pleaded as a respondent number 13, Your Lordship.
Hazarimal Mina.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is his role?
He is a deputy chief engineer of construction at Aizawl, and he's in charge of Konpui and Bairabi rail station, Your Lordship. So this is
What was the direction?
The direction was for implement of this, because the council of for the Northeast Frontier Railway.
Where is last order? I don't see any last order here.
The last order is on 4th of this month. 4th.
Oh. And what last order is it talking about? Okay. This is the implement only. Okay.
My Lord, at para 10 and 11.
So the writ appeal is also, but that will be before the division bench.
Yes, my Lord. If you see, Your Lordship, that para number 10 and 11 of the order, in the meanwhile, because this is a contempt matter, the concerned official, the new incumbent, has to be impleaded. That is why, in place of the earlier respondent number 12.
No, we understand that, but since the direction is there for listing it together.
Yes.
Then this will also have to go to division bench.
So, my Lord, what my court has said before was that in the meantime, the new incumbent has to be there. because it will be incomplete before the division bench. The respondents will be incomplete.
But your case is covered by the stay order. This contempt petition.
No, Your Lordship, there is no stay on this contempt. There is a contempt, there is a stay order on a different writ petition.
In a different writ petition, we are pertaining to the same assessment made by the Deputy Commissioner.
Same assessment, but the order passed in this writ petition is for the direction to make payment. So they have challenged only the assessment, not the order. So pursuant to the order, it's like this, Your Lordship, we have filed a writ petition claiming interest under section 2834. Then it was a consent order. The Council for Railways, CGC, said that we have no objection, it's a cover matter. So order was passed directing the Deputy Commissioner to make assessment as per the entitlement, and assessment was made. Now, that order has not been challenged. Only the assessment part was challenged in a different writ petition. And
but if that assessment has been stayed, where does the question of payment arise?
That is for there is a writ appeal in that, and that will it will go through that. But in the meantime, since there are new incumbent, so the new incumbent has to be there. Since this is a contempt petition, it has to be listed together with the writ appeal. But if we just club it together without the proper respondents, it will be of no use as well.
Already, this is an implement application. Okay, we allowed this, and so is implemented. We'll say that much.
And not this will be issued.
Yes, stands disposed of accordingly. Yes. Amended cost title may be filed.
And now should we take step for notice?
Yes.
Too dusty.
Too dusty?
Yes, it's here in ISO only.
Okay.
Item 10.
May it please, Your Lordship. My Lord, this is a delay application for delay of 43 days in filing the accompanying RFA, my Lord.
It's coming up for the first time.
Yes, my Lord.
This is Hard Learned Counsel for the applicant. This is an application under Section 5 of the Limitation Act, RW Order 41, Rule 3 SCPC, for condonation of a delay of 43 days in preferring the connected appeal against the impugned order dated 2/4/25 in civil suit number 26 of 14, passed by the learned civil judge, senior division, Aizawl. Issue notice to the respondents, petitioner to take steps by registered post.
My Lord, all they are state respondents only, my Lord.
Only state respondents.
Yes.
Then you cut that, it says so and so accepts notice for on behalf of state respondents, extra copies be served within 3 days. List the matter after 4 weeks. In the meantime, state respondents may file objection.
Deeply obliged, my Lord.
I seek Your Lordship's indulgence. Your Lordship, item number 6, I'm there for the appellant, and I was slightly late. By the time I entered the room, order had been, Your Lordship had already deferred the matter for 2 weeks. In fact, Your Lordship, the matter is coming up for the first time, and if Your Lordship may kindly indulge in passing order for...
What are we required to do in that now?
Only issuing notice, Your Lordship.
All right.
It's coming for the first time in item 6.
Okay, just let me see the yeah, sent it.
It's a very small appeal, Your Lordship. I'm just challenging one order whereby the plaintiff was allowed to amend his plaint.
Heard learned counsel for the petition. Cut the earlier one, cancel it. Heard learned counsel for the appellant. This is an appeal under section 17 of the Mizoram Civil Codes Act 2005, challenging an order dated 3/7/25, passed in Civil Miscellaneous Application number 623 of 2025, arising out of civil suit number 30 of 2022, passed by the Learned Civil Judge Senior Division. Where? This is Civil Judge Senior Division of
Aizawl District.
Aizawl. But there is an direction for the learned. You have to serve copies. Is this the same case? 6.
This is RFA 33 of 25.
Yes. There is an office note. Copy already served to respondents 3 to 7, but
That
not.
is, those are the state respondents only, Your Lordship.
Yes.
1 and 2 are the private.
Issue notice. Petitioner to take step, appellant to take steps by registered post upon respondents number 1 and 2. Copies have, full stop copies have already been served on respondents 3 to 7 as per office note. Full stop. List up to 4 weeks.
May please, Your Lordship, may I take steps by way of Dusty because both of them are resident of Aizawl and there's slight urgency in this case.
All right. Instead of registered post, Dusty.
Can you say 2 weeks, Your Lordship?
2 weeks.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm deeply obliged.